Well done, you. Thanks, Rob. Great. And what about you, Mr. Redman? Okay, warm up or not? The power line, of course, the engine that's not there. To the burning 160 turbine is about 180,000 revolutions per minute. And it's a power. One by one, go straight over down, probably right behind.
How much are you getting paid though?
Butlers here, of course. And the Machinchy. And his mummy.
It's still too I've got a car that runs on LPG.
Doesn't it get better? Doesn't it get better? Come on. A rolling Harrier. What about that, everybody? Almost the same size. That's it, turbine on the way. That's the whole way to the airplane. When it's cold. What about that? I was looking at stuff I like. All tail slide even. He likes these full sides from the TL. Avalanche, call it what you will, now works for. Look at that, everybody. It doesn't get better than it is in here, does it? Look at how low it is. 9 meters. Give them a round of applause. We can't win it, you know. Wow. What a lad, what a lad. Got a whole team of people there. Very big responsibility in America now. And he's finished, ladies and gentlemen and children. That's the typical way he says goodbye. But watch the way he finishes off, because he gets up there and he does this. You watch. He gets it high in the sky. Look at the buffeting going on now. Did you see that there? That's into that cloud. Now do be realised. Watch and listen. Watch and listen. He switches off the motor. When he gets in the cloud, can you find a cloud level? He switched off the engine, and the glider will become a glider once more, without power, except kinetic energy. What about that? Come on, give him a round of applause. He's a lovely fella. His mummy and daddy are so proud of him, and so am I. He'll land here. Ladies and gentlemen, with the amazing Fox glider. Jet turbine, the engine's tucked away, look. Back on the grass, it'll be like this. Ready? Come on, the biggest round of applause yet. Ali Machinchy, come on, take a bow, son. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant stuff.